Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Escambia County in south central Alabama,